Jim here, talking about a Craigslist find. Another project back to the shop from Vintage America. You can see it behind my shoulder right there. Yep, Craigslist finds. So let's go look at it. This right there is a Clinton air-cooled engine. Everything's there, the gas tank, the original carburetor, the governor, the gear reduction with the pulley, 2-speed drive, left and right side. This used to be a carriage for a rototiller. 5/8 belt. It's all there. Okay. So what is this going to be? This is going to be my new cinch winch for the trailer. A gas operated all-terrain or anywhere tow it out of the weeds winch. But that's what we're going to use. So this project's been on my list for a long time and I found it. I got that for 140 bucks off of Craigslist. Kid was happy. Got it out of scrap yard. Thought it was worth something. Well, it is. Definitely from the 50s. I would say mid 50s, late 40s, probably between 49 and 56, something like that. So follow the videos. Keep an eye on the cinch winch for the car trailer. No more electric bullshit. But have a good day. Thanks a lot. There you go.